everybody, welcome to the 16th episode of GusMath. Today we will be talking about the hexadecimal numbers, since it's our 16th video. In the hexadecimal systems, you can put 16 numbers using just one symbol. We'll also be talking about the most common number system, the decimal, and also the binary, which is used for computers. Before we start, I'd just like to say that I went to TEDx to talk about my channel. It was really cool, and I got to meet all sorts of people and listen to their TED Talks and stuff like that. And yeah, so check it out. It's going to come out on February, I think. So yeah, let's start. There are lots of different number systems in the world, like ancient Greek, Roman, ancient Egyptian, and Mayan. And these are just some of the many. The most commonly used number system today is the Arabic, or Hindu Arabic. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which probably came in your mind when I just said it. Today we're going to be talking about the decimal, the binary, and the hexadecimal. Here are decimal numbers, 0 to 15, so 16 numbers. Decimal means that you can go from 0 to 9 with one digit, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if you want to get to 10, then you need to add another digit and keep counting from there with another digit added. Decimal numbers are too complicated for computers, and computers can only use zeros or ones because the original computers had switches for lights, and 0 was off and 1 was on. So we're going to use 4 digits for binary and 4 bits for computers. See, the first digit is 1 if you turn it on, and the second digit, we have to turn this off again, so 0. And the second digit, if you put 1 here, then this is 2, turn it off again. Then here, if you turn it on, it's 4, then you turn it off again. And here, you turn it on, it's 8, and then you turn it off again. So 1, 2, 4, 8. Let's translate these decimal numbers into binary. So 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0, because there's nothing that's on, because this is not a number. Then 1 is here, so we just need to turn the last one on. 0, 0, 0, 1. Remember, binary is read from right to left, not left to right, like normally. Let's do 2, which is here. So we need to do 0, 0, 1, 0. Then let's do 4. So again, the second digit, if you read it from left to right, 0, 1, 0, 0. So you can see there's kind of a pattern here. So 1 is at the very right, 2 is 1 space left, 4 is 1 space left. Then 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. So, see, yeah, there's a pattern. The 1 just keeps moving left in each digit from here. Then let's do 10, which this is where it gets a little bit more complicated. So first, we need to do the 8 digit, so 1, 0, because we don't have a 4. And 8 plus 2 is 10, so we put the 1 here. 8, 0, 2, 8 plus 2 equals 10, and then we put a 0 here because there's no 1, and this equals 10. Then let's do 15, which is the highest you can do with 4 digits. 15, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is what 15 is. 12, 14, 15, 1, 1, 1, 1 equals 15. So this is the highest you can do with 4 digits. And after that, for 16, you need 8 digits. Well, you don't need 8 digits, but you have to put 8 digits because now it's a byte. I just put a random number here, 36. So we need to put 8 bits to make a byte here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And Okay, let's start. So, 1. No, first let's review the numbers. So, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32 is close to 36, so let's make that a 1. Then, so I don't think we can go bigger than 32 because that's 64 and 128. That's too big. So we don't really need these numbers. These say 0. So 32 is, you need to add 4 to get to 36. 1, 2, 4. So we put this, a 1, and then we change this to these cross out, and then this. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 equals 36. And this is how you use binary in a really long number. Now let's see how to use hexadecimals. No smart computer scientist wants to write all these numbers, so that's where hexadecimal comes in. So to count with hexadecimal, first, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the same. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9. Yeah. But from 10, it gets a little bit more interesting. 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. And now, here's a way to use it in binary to make binary short. So here we use just one digit for each of these 16 numbers. And this is where we count 36 with 2 digits instead of 8. So here there's 2 times 4 bits making a byte. Let's make this into 2 digits. First we take a box. We split it in half. And then we put 0, 0, 1, 0 there. And 0, 1, 0, 0 there. And now we count from here. See, 1, 2, 4. This is 4 because there's only 1 here. 4. 0, there's 1, 2, 4, 8. And there's a 2 here and nothing else. Then 2. Then we add these using monkey math, which some of you might know, to equal 24. And that's how 36 in binary is in hexadecimal. So it makes it a lot simpler. So you don't have to write all these numbers down. You just put 24. Or like you do the math to turn this into this, and then you just write that down instead of writing in some book, just 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So it makes it a lot simpler and a lot easier to use. So let's do a quite big number and try to do it in decimal, binary, and hexadecimal. Let's do 112. So this is in decimal already, 3 digits. So 112. Now let's do it in binary. First we need 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the bits that make a byte. So this is gonna be a little bit hard since it's not 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So it's not that simple, but let's try. So let's do from left to right. So 128, I think a little bit too big. No 128. Then next is 64. So yeah, I think I can use that. Yeah, let's just put it 1 for now. Then it's 32. 64 plus 32 equals 96. So yeah, let's use that. And it's 16. 96 plus 16 equals 112. So yeah, 64, 32, 16 ones. So in binary, 112 equals 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now let's turn it into hexadecimals. Take a box, put 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So in hexadecimals, 0. Now we use the rule again. 1, 2, 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So in hexadecimals, 112 equals 70. So yeah, 112 decimal 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, binary, and finally 70 hexadecimal. So as you can see, it takes a bit calculations, but it's kind of worth it since it's way simpler than this or this to read and to use. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about suggestions of what I should do a video about. Thanks for watching again. Bye!